Standard Assignment Submission Points. Access to a standard file submission point is made available to you from within a VLE site. To make your submission, first locate the submission point and then click on its title text. When the screen refreshes, click the Browse Local Files button and then, in the ensuing Standard File dialog, find and open the file you wish to submit. Alternatively, you can drag and drop your submission onto the dashed line box to attach your file. Once attached for submission, you will see details of the file you have selected appear below the dashed box. Check that it is the correct file and then click the Submit button. Unless there is a problem with your attachment, the page will refresh to show you a preview or summary of your submission. What you see will depend on what type of file you are asked to submit. A coloured information bar will also appear to confirm what you have done. Check that you have submitted what you intended to submit, either on screen or by downloading the submitted file from the column at the right hand of the screen and then opening it. You will also receive an email receipt for a successful submission. Note that your department can set submission points up variously. They could, for example, be configured to allow only one submission or multiple submissions. Make sure you read any on-screen instructions carefully before submitting your work. If you later need to review your most recent submission, re-access the submission point. This will show you a preview or summary of your last submission. If you need to make a superseding submission, click the Start New button at the right-hand side of the interface and make a new submission in the same manner as you made the previous one. If for some reason your submission is refused, please be sure to read and take note of any message that appears to you before contacting your teaching staff or support services.